The more visible you become, the easier it is for the world to distract you, doubt you, and slow you down. But what if the fastest way to level up your life is to disappear? Not forever, but long enough to rebuild yourself into someone unrecognizable. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to step back, transform, and come back stronger than ever. Number 1, stop announcing your life. The moment you speak your plans out loud, you weaken their power. Talking about your goals gives your brain a false sense of accomplishment. It feels like you've already achieved something, when you haven't. So instead, become unpredictable. Move in silence. Let people wonder what you're doing. And before we move on, hit that subscribe button. This channel is all about helping you level up and take control of your life. Number 2, detach from opinions. Most people live based on what others might think, not what they truly think themselves. But when you shift your focus inward, you begin to build a version of yourself in your mind and start living to impress that person. No applause, no validation, just self-respect. Number 3, choose a clear target. Transformation without direction is just movement. Define exactly who you're becoming. Stronger? Wealthier? More disciplined? Be specific. Vague goals lead to weak results. Number 4, protect your progress. Think of your goals like fragile seeds. Expose them too early, and they die. Only seek advice when necessary. And even then, be precise. Take what you need, then step back into silence. And when progress comes, don't show it. Don't celebrate it publicly. The moment you show progress, you invite attention, and attention can break momentum. Number 5, the return. At first, this lifestyle will feel uncomfortable, but eventually you'll reach a point where you can come back, show the results, reveal the transformation. But here's the twist. You won't feel the need to, because somewhere along the way, you stopped doing it for them and started doing it for yourself. And that's the real transformation. Not just changing your life, but becoming the kind of person who no longer needs validation to keep growing.